Not you. Equal 4. 4 plus 4. Equal 8. 8.
Ano? 8 plus what?
8 plus 8 equals 60. 60 plus 50, 1 million. Don't count.
What?
It's important. 32! It's 32!
What are you singing?
Yeah, dance.
Yung graduation dance nyo. Hmm?
You want ketchup? That's ketchup. You scared me. What is this?
Do you know that I'm so grateful for ate?
I know. Because you love ate and you
Oh.
don't love me. In one day, I already know the poem, di ba, ma?
Dad, do you know why? I'm so thankful, ate. Because ate do the facial. Do the facial. Because,
Just the dishes?
because, no, you have to listen. Because mama is very busy, right? I do a lot of work. They don't like to listen. What happened to you? Diba, Elaine?
Yes, looks like a monkey doing like this. Anong memorize yung poem? This is this for rice.
Okay lang yan, pwede yan.
Are you sure? Gonna put soup first because the soup is yummy. Then everything. Then